Hey, what's up guys? Today we are making creamy chipotle sauce. If you like chipotle sauce with a lot of chipotle flavor, you gotta make it my way. There's a lot of recipes out there and brands that have just kind of a whiff of chipotle flavor, but I like to focus on that big chipotle flavor for chili heads like you and me, so let me show you how to make it. All right, let's make some creamy chipotle sauce, my friends. So here I have a half cup of Mexican crema. You can also use sour cream, but I think Mexican crema has a superior flavor. It's just that much more delicious to me. Into your food processor. And I also have a quarter cup of mayo. I'm using Duke's mayo, which is pretty much my favorite mayo, but you can use your favorite. Into the food processor. And our seasonings. So here I have a teaspoon of cayenne for some nice heat. And I have a teaspoon of granulated garlic. And a half teaspoon of freshly ground cumin. And it's really salt to taste. I have about a quarter teaspoon. You can use salt as much as you want to. It's your personal taste. And I have some chopped cilantro. I have about 3 tablespoons here, chopped cilantro. And, of course, chipotle peppers. Let's talk about the chipotle peppers here. Today we're using chipotles in adobo from a can. A lot of recipes will use maybe one of these chipotles, maybe 2, and sometimes they'll go up to half a can. But we're gonna go with real serious chipotle flavor today. I'm gonna use the entire can. It's 7 ounces of chipotle in adobo sauce, and it's delicious. And actually, if you want to, you can add just half of these and then process and just give it a taste and see how you like it and adjust from there. But I'm gonna go ahead and add the whole can. We're going all in on chipotle here, my friends. All right, into the food processor, and now let's go ahead and process it up. All right, look at this. Boom. This is going to be amazing. All right, let's get this into a bowl. And at this point, you can taste and adjust if you'd like. If you want to add more salt to it, maybe add some lime juice for a pop of citrus. And you can also thin it out with a little bit more crema or sour cream, or a little bit more mayo as well. So let's talk about serving. Chipotle sauce is outstanding for pretty much anything off the grill. I love it with grilled chicken, grilled pork, even grilled fish, grilled shrimp. It's outstanding for tacos. You can just spoon a little bit over any kind of a taco and it pops the whole taco with flavor. It's amazing. Great with burritos. I love it on burrito bowls. You can use it as a dressing for salads. And it's also great as a simple dip. I mean, I love to serve it as a dip with chips and people go crazy for it. So today I actually made some grilled shrimp, so let's give it a taste. All right, let's do this. Seriously, Chipotle explosion. That's how you make Chipotle sauce. That's how it should be. Creamy Chipotle sauce, my friends. It's so easy to make, isn't it? Hey, if you guys are looking for a great way to serve it, you gotta try my shrimp tacos. It's fantastic on shrimp tacos. But also, if you're looking for more awesome Chipotle flavor, you gotta try my chicken tinga recipe. It uses Chipotles and adobo. Super delicious and easy to make as well. So, all right, I hope to see you in the kitchen next time. Let me know what you think of the recipe, and I'd love to hear how you're gonna serve yours. So, Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. See ya, bye.